In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track personal budget in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, flexible budget workspace set up and ready to use without building everything from scratch. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. This gives you a dedicated space for your finances and keeps everything tidy from day one. Give the page a clear name you'll recognize later, like personal budget or monthly money tracker, and leave it open. Next, head to the templates option at the bottom of the page. Templates are a huge time saver in Notion because they come with databases, views, and properties already configured. When the template window opens, make sure you're on the main templates section so you can browse the full library and marketplace options. Use the search bar and type the word budget. This narrows everything down to finance-focused pages, including personal budgeting, expense trackers, and monthly overview templates. Take a moment to scan the thumbnails and previews. You're looking for a layout that matches how you think about money. Ideally, something with categories, amounts, dates, and totals already built in. Be sure to choose a Porti template, which will be labeled clearly in the results. Once you've picked one that fits your style, click Add or Use this template. Notion will copy it straight into your new page so you can start customizing right away without affecting the original template. This step is quick, but it's powerful. You're now working with a pre-built system tailored for budgeting. From here, edit the budget template to make it yours. Rename the page if needed, set your preferred currency symbol at any amount fields, and review the properties for each entry like date, category, and amount. Update or rename the default categories to match your spending, such as groceries, rent, utilities, transportation, and savings. If the template includes an income section, add your regular paychecks so you can compare earnings versus expenses. Enter a few recent transactions to test the flow, and watch how the totals and summaries respond. If the template includes monthly views or filters, adjust the time frame to the current month, so you're always looking at the most relevant data. A quick tip while editing: avoid deleting formula columns if you see them. They usually power the rollups and totals. Instead, hide any fields you don't need. Consider adding simple reminders in Notion to update your expenses weekly and keep all receipts or notes in the same page to maintain one source of truth. That's it. Your Notion budget is set up, customized, and ready to help you stay on top of your money. Save the page, keep it handy in your sidebar, and check in regularly to keep your finances on track.